Now let's look at the text in this video. In the older version, it is called layers. So this option actually helps you to stay organized during the designing process. Now let's look at how this works. You can access it from the default tray. And if it's not showing here, you can go to Window, then make sure that it is checked from here. Now what you can do is all this stuff, the sofa set, the pergola, the base, or the sidewalk, you can place them one by one in different tags or layers. First, let's create the tag by clicking on the plus sign, and let's name it sofa set. Now, in order to place the sofa set in the tag or the layer, first click on it or just select it. And after that, let's assign it to the tag sofa sets from here. Now from here, you can turn this layer on or off. And the same process can be repeated for all this stuff.